Epstein case. Sir, 3 million files are still locked up.
उसका इस विषय से कोई संबंध नहीं। मैं क्यों बोल रहा हूँ? I will not allow you. आप कौन होते हैं? आप बैठिए, आप बैठिए। नहीं देखिए, आप लगातार आपको 25 मिनट हो गया, किसी ने डिस्टर्ब नहीं किया।
Okay, Speaker sir, वो Epstein की बात नहीं कर रहा।
Is not related with the budget.
Okay sir, I won't say Epstein.
I will not allow you. That will not.
I'm not saying Epstein. Speaker sir, at the center of our budget, if you look carefully, at the center of our budget, like I said, jujitsu में grip दिखती है, राजनीति में grip choke नहीं दिखता. At the center of our defense budget is a choke applied by Mr. Adani. So I'd like to talk about Mr. Adani and the case in the United States against Mr. Ambani, because that is a central part of the budget.
वो भी इस हाउस के कोई सर्विस नहीं जिस पे आप आरोप लगा रहे हैं, कैसे संभाल देंगे? किसी पे माननीय लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन आप लिख करके दे सकते हैं। अगर आप जिस तरह का आरोप लगा रहे हैं,
स्पीकर सर,
आप नियम 352(5) और 354 को भी जानते हैं कि आप उनका नाम ले सकते हैं, लेकिन जिस तरह से आप एक मतलब हायर अथॉरिटी को या प्राइम मिनिस्टर को या सरकार को उनके साथ जोड़ रहे हैं,
बोलने तो
आप नियम जानिए। आप
सर, अदानी जी जो है,
आप अपने बजट तक सीमित रहिए। देखिए, आप जो भी चाहे अपनी बात कहें, आप अपनी बजट पे बात कहें। बजट
मैं कर रहा हूं सर,
बजट पे
सर आप मुझे करने दीजिए।
आपको बिल्कुल लगा, आप बैठिए बेनी बहन जी, आप अपनी बात जो कह रहे हैं वो कहिए, लेकिन जब किसी का नाम लेकर के और किसी हायर अथॉरिटी करें तो आप ये सदन नियमों से चलेगा और आप इस तरीके से आरोप नहीं लगा सकते सरकार को।
सर मिस्टर अदानी is not an ordinary businessman. Mr. Adani's company is not an ordinary company. Please understand that the case in the United States is targeted at the Prime Minister of India, not at Mr. Adani.
नहीं, ये नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं। आप इस तरीके से बिल्कुल जो आप ये कह रहे हैं कि कहाँ, क्या बात आप कर रहे हैं?
It is targeted, sir, at the financial network of the BJP, at the financial architecture of the BJP.
You are leveling charges against higher authority, and only you can speak. श्री रविशंकर प्रसाद जी, क्या है पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर? पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर क्या है? पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर क्या है? व्हाट इज योर पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर?
बिल्कुल,
व्हाट इज योर पॉइंट?
गलत बयानी करना इनके हाथ में नहीं है, टिपिकली सुनाते हैं।
श्री प्रहलाद जोशी जी, किरण रिजिजू जी,
हम लोग ने बार-बार कहा,
पार्लियामेंट्री अफेयर्स मिनिस्टर,
वेरी
सदन सुन रहा है, पार्लियामेंट्री अफेयर्स मिनिस्टर साहब, इनको
हम आपको डिस्टर्ब नहीं करना चाहते हैं, बट व्हेन यू आर लेवलिंग सीरियस चार्जेस without any reason, without any backing of substance, without any proof, you are just making any wild allegation.
I'll give you a reason.
That will diminish your own position.
I'll give you a reason.
You are leader of the opposition.
Okay.
Please make substantive point.
Yes,
we are here to listen to your suggestion.
I will.
If you give good suggestion, we will listen.
Yeah, I will.
We are here to listen, but don't make wild allegation.
I will. Speaker sir, there is a businessman called Mr. Anil Ambani. I want to ask the question, why is he not in jail? The reason he's not in jail is because his name is in the Epstein files. That's why he's not in jail.
Rahul ji, जो भी चाहे.
I'd also like to ask Mr. Hardeep Puri, who introduced him
Mr. Chair
to Epstein.
Mr. Rahul, no.
I know who introduced him.
आप एक बात मेरी सुन लीजिए पहले, कि चाहे आप अनिल अंबानी, मैं कह रहा हूँ, मैं अनिल अंबानी,
Sir, I know who introduced him.
जो जिस
and
तरीके
Mr. Hardeep Puri knows who introduced him.
चार्जेज लगा रहे हैं,
We both agree.
वो इस सदन का सदस्य नहीं है, चाहे वो अनिल अंबानी
Hardeep Puri है सर,
अडानी हो,
Hardeep Puri is a member of parliament here.
आप जो चार्जेज लगा रहे हैं उसको सफाई करने का अवसर नहीं मिलेगा,
He's a minister, sir.
उसका नाम नहीं लिया जाता। और आप एक बार इसको पढ़ लीजिए, a member while speaking shall not refer to any matter of fact on which a judicial decision pending may make a provisional and for use offensive expressions about the conduct of the parliament in any state, reflect on any determination of the house except motion, and reflect upon the conduct of reflect upon the conduct of persons in high authority unless the discussion is based on its substance. तो प्लीज आप जिसका नाम है उसका नाम न लें और पॉइंट आउट किस
I am on Rule 352, Clause Roman 5.
श्री रविशंकर जी
While speaking, reflect upon the conduct of persons in high office, authority, unless discussion is based on a substantive motion, drawn in terms of proper terms. अभी उन्हें प्राइम मिनिस्टर का नाम लिया, मंत्रियों का नाम लिया. Has he made any substantive motion? नहीं है तो रिजेक्ट करिए.
ठीक
It is completely against the rules.
नहीं, अब मेरी बात सुन लीजिए, एक बात मेरी सुन लीजिए. उन्होंने 352 कहा है, लेकिन मैं नहीं, सौगत राय जी नहीं, मैं राहुल जी आपका 353 की तरफ कर रहा हूँ. आपने एक भारत सरकार के मिनिस्टर का नाम लिया and you have labeled the charge against him. If you will go through the Rule 353, no allegations of a defamatory or incriminatory nature shall be made by a member against any person unless the member has given adequate advance. Now you have labeled the charges against him. So please, being a leader of opposition, I think so. Notice, then adequate advance notice. Then you can mention the name of any minister. And if you have, आप बैठिए, नहीं ऐसे देखिए, नहीं. Whatever Rahul has made allegation, that will not go on the record. And now you can speak.
1 minute,
No.
sir.
You have made allegation. You have made allegation
agree, sir.
that will not go on the record. This is mine.
Sir, agree, sir. But Rule 352 is only applicable for leader of opposition.
No, I am reading 350.
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
353.
1 minute, sir. Rule 352, mentioning about Ravi Shankar Prasad ji raised the issue. In that house, 2 days before, a member has given a very, very derogatory remarks against the former Prime Minister, two former Prime Minister. Where was this Rule 352?
Applicable to everybody, not only
Where
for
was-
him, not only for him.
Where was
That will be applicable. Please kindly take it. That is applicable for to him. Please, no. Rahul Gandhi.
Speaker sir, Anil Ambani is not a member of the House. He's not. So I can speak about Anil Ambani. He's a defense. He's involved in defense, sir. He's involved in defense budget.
Leave industrialist.
To explain whatever you are labeling charges against him, so I think so you will not take. Please.
So there is a certain businessman
Yes.
whose name has appeared in Epstein files, and that businessman is not in jail. That businessman has criminal cases against him.
The subject. What file you are taking? No, Epstein file. No, not. How I can allow you? No. No. You are mentioning it. How if any subject is not related with the budget, you can't speak. Please.